Uy pare! May nagbabasa dyan tol! Mainit kasi tol eh!
Dahil yata yung sakatan ko eh.
September na! Nahihilo
Oo
kayo?
naman.
Wala tol, di ko talaga kaya sobrang init.
The evidence is clear. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation has caused our planet to warm at an alarming rate. Pwede rin siya lumala. Pwede rin maging pahamak to sa buhay natin. At maaaring mag-cause ito ng global warming.
Look at the bustling cities, tall buildings, industries, vehicles, homes, computers, TVs, ACs, and refrigerators. We humans made an amazing inventions, but all of this requires a great amount of energy, and we get this energy by burning fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Now the smoke arises from this. Burning contains carbon dioxide, which rises up in the air. Over the years, all this carbon dioxide accumulated in the atmosphere, and as carbon dioxide is in greenhouse gas, more carbon dioxide cause more greenhouse effect. As a result, Earth's average temperature started to increase. Heating of the Earth because of greenhouse effect is called global warming. And in the coming future, the situation can even be more dangerous. There are many ways to help our environment. Now, let's hear the student advocates about this concerning matter.
As an individual, we can make a conscious choice every single day. We can use public transportation or we can support a eco-friendly products. Pwede natin silang pangaralan kung gaano ka-importante ang pagpapahalaga o pagpoprotekta sa ating kapaligiran.
We must implement strong environmental regulation and support international agreements like the Paris Agreement. We need to invest in green technologies and create policies that encourage sustainable practices. It's time to bold leadership. And no, that does not mean just planting trees and calling it a day.
We can't wait for others to solve this problem. Each of us has a role to play. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Support renewable energy sources. Join local environmental groups. And remember, every small action counts, even if it's just convincing your neighbor to stop using early flower at 6 a.m.
Time to act now. Global warming is a challenge we must face together. Let's commit to making a difference for ourselves, for future generations, and for the planet we call home. And remember, saving the planet can be fun too.